After building a six-figure online business store in the health and fitness industry, I decided to go into an industry that I was way more passionate about, and that is the beauty industry. And I really wanted to start a hair company, and I wanted to share with you guys the raw, uncut, behind the scenes footage of what it really takes to build a six-figure business from the ground up. I decided to document every single step of the way, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys all the tips and tricks and just everything that I learned along the way. And I decided to do with zero to no money up front. Now, a lot of people may think that's impossible, but I'm here to show you that you could definitely build a business with no money down. So come with me on this journey as I build a six-figure business from the ground up. And I'm going to be calling this series on my channel the Not So Glamorous Entrepreneur, because you're going to see the good, the bad, and the ugly when it comes to running and building a six-figure business. So let's go on this journey together.